We're going to walk through how to set up the WhatsApp business app on your Android phone. We're going to begin this tutorial with a fresh install, and by the time we're done, you're going to have your business profile set up correctly so that people can find you and you can communicate to them. Start out in the Play Store and just search for WhatsApp Business. It'll autofill. You'll see the little icon come up after it figures out that you want the business one. Select that. I've already installed it, so my option is open, but you're going to install it at this point. It's going to put the icon on your desktop. It's highlighted. And then you're going to get a lot of options where it needs you to accept terms. It needs permission to access your microphone, your pictures, and just allow all of these options. If you don't allow them, it's really not going to work as it's designed. So go through and give it the information. I'm going to go ahead and not show you my phone number. No offense, but... And as we go through this, you're going to see that I'm going to set this up as a business that would be likely to want to have a social media presence for someone that wants to contact them easily. So I'm going to make it a plumbing company, thinking that if you have a plumbing problem, you just want to grab your mobile phone and message someone from WhatsApp. So I just put in my phone number, and now it texted me a verification code. Grab that code, put it in here, did that, and now I'm ready to put in my business information. Get it in here exactly right because you can't change it. Once you get that done, you press OK. It takes a little while to initialize doing whatever it's doing. And then once that's done, we're going to be up and running in the app, and I'll show you different types of configurations that's really going to affect how your customers interact with you. It's hooked up to my contacts now. These icons in the middle are people that are in my phone because I gave it permission to access my contacts. And you see the option in the upper right-hand corner I touched, and I'm going to go to the settings. This is where you're going to customize it in a way that makes sense for how you want to communicate. The first thing I'm going to do is go into the profile. I tapped on the little icon of a picture of a person. And I tapped the picture of a camera, and it's going to bring up the pictures that are already on my phone. And I'm going to select one that represents my business. Now this is looking at the pictures on my phone. I'm going to pick the picture of a fountain, and that other picture that you see, that's just potatoes, I promise. So let's crop the picture. I know it might be a little funny to have a picture of a fountain for a plumber, but I thought that was, of all the pictures I had on my phone, I thought that one probably worked pretty well. Now you go into your business settings, and you want to configure the messages. So the away message is something that someone's going to get if they message you and you're not at your phone right then. So you want it to be something that keeps that person interested and makes them want to come back and communicate with you. I just left it as the default here because that made sense. And let's say, hey, let's always send that, okay? So we don't need to do a custom schedule. If I'm not at my phone, I'm not at my phone. You might want it to send a different message at night saying, I'll text you at 6 a.m. Now there's some more unique message options here where you can do quick replies. So you can set up something where here's this whole sentence, but I'm going to access this sentence just by doing a little shortcut. So this one would be if someone messages me and it's a great deal, I'm going to go do their plumbing. But then I want another one where I'll do their plumbing, but they're really far away. So I'm going to warn them that I'm going to give them a trip charge. And this would just be another thing that after you set it up, you can send it with just a few keystrokes because you have a shortcut to it. Now that I'm done with the quick replies, I'm going to go in and change the notifications. So the thought on this is that Your phone may be ringing and dinging all the time, but you want to know when that ring is from WhatsApp, because if you're under a sink doing your plumbing and someone texts you, if it's from WhatsApp, you might know it's likely to be a customer, so you want to stop and look at it. I just set a sound there that was different than the normal sounds, is all I did. And now that you've done your basic configurations, you're ready to go. You have your profile picture. The app has access to you. You have your shortcuts set. Now you're ready for the first person to message you. They'll get an automatic message right back, and then you can follow up with them.